Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a Coinbase wallet. First, download the official Coinbase wallet app from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and select the option to create a new wallet. This will guide you through the initial setup process. Remember, this wallet is separate from a Coinbase exchange account, offering you full control over your crypto assets. Security is paramount. You'll be given a 12-word recovery phrase. This phrase is your master key. Lose it, and you lose access to your funds. Write it down precisely, double-checking each word. Store it offline in multiple secure places, like a safe or a locked drawer. Never, ever share this phrase with anyone, as it grants full control over your assets. After securing your recovery phrase, you'll set up a 6-digit PIN. Choose a strong, unique combination that's easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. For added convenience and security, enable biometric authentication, such as fingerprint or Face ID, if your device supports it. Finally, you'll confirm a few words from your recovery phrase to ensure you've recorded it correctly, completing your wallet setup. With your wallet created, you can now send and receive cryptocurrency. To receive, simply share your unique wallet address with the sender. To send, enter the recipient's address and the amount. The Coinbase wallet also allows you to explore and interact with various decentralized applications, or dApps, directly from within the app, opening up a world of possibilities in the crypto space.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.